banana. No, this one the rice.
Hey.
लग गया इसको गेम ओवर है इसका
Careful here.
Welcome to my Vietnam vlog. I'm off to Phu Quoc, Vietnam's largest island to the southwest of the mainland. It's also their biggest army base, which is closer to Cambodia's shores than it is to Vietnam's shores. Join me as I explore this little island through its dreamy beaches, basking in the tropical sun. I drive around in the rain. I meet starfishes. I see orangish violetish sunsets between Vietnam and Cambodia. I hike up to a waterfall. I discover an Amalfi-like look-alike city and connect with the pains of the colonial history in the coconut prison. Seems like a lot? That's 60 hours of exploration on a weekend from India. And you know what? It doesn't even require a visa. This, by the way, was a quick jaunt over a Friday, Saturday and Sunday. If this trailer interested you, you should enjoy the entire series.
We're trying to get inside the Phuquoc National Park. Looks like there's no guard here. These guys have gone inside. I think I'll also do that. So the Phuquoc National Park was closed. Damn, we came 30 odd kilometers here and it was closed. So Srinidhi suggested another place on Google Maps. This was a pepper farm and it's about 2 kilometers from here. So we've now come into what we believe is a pepper farm. But all I see is just a hotel. Not even a hotel. They call it a hotel. I think I need to go drive straight. So there's this place called the Phu Quoc Countryside. I'm assuming this is the pepper farm. I think my friends have gone here. Whoa! You're looking like Vietnamese. So what is your Vietnamese name? Sri An Han De. An De.
Han De.
The hat looks very nice.
But a lot of people do come for
So is this the pepper farm?
Right.
Yes, yes.
Finally, this is our first place in Vietnam where the thing was open. Quinn. Okay, Quinn, please take us around.
Okay. So we start tour now.
Yeah.
This is umbrella.
Umbrella fruit.
Yeah. This is shower with the skin and inside is a little bit sweet. So our farm is have since 1998 from the parent, and they both from the local people also have a pepper. Okay. So we are keep continue the farm. So let's visit. In your country, grow a lot of curry, right?
Yeah, a lot of curry. We use a lot of pepper.
And also this is curry tree. This one,
Oh, this is for curry leaves.
Curry seed.
curry
seed.
tree. This kind of curry we using a lot for cooking.
Okay.
And here the tree silk cotton.
What is silk, cotton?
Yeah, the fruit.
Okay.
They have the cotton inside and cover, and we can get it for make the pillow.
What is it? What do you make with that?
Pillow.
Pillow. Oh, okay. So
Yeah.
silk cotton is something
Yeah.
called the pillow. Okay.
The sharp inside of the tree we can make for eating,
Okay.
Oh.
Okay.
and the leaf can make the shampoo for hair,
Oh,
for
nice.
smooth hair.
That is the secret of smooth hair.
Yeah.
So there's shampoo, there is cotton, and then you eat what is inside the bud.
Yeah,
the-
like the water of the sharp.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I got it.
So keep going this way. So we will to visit the pepper first, and later we go to the beer brewery.
This is your pepper garden. Okay. Did you say beer brewery?
Yes.
Wow.
Yeah, homemade beer. Lemongrass.
So what's pepper got to do with beer? How come pepper and beer are at the same place?
You can mix together if you like.
Oh, is it?
This is the Phuquoc pepper.
Okay.
So that's kind of pepper, very long time ago, 300 years with history. Before the
you're
pepper
saying this whole
from your
garden is
country.
300 years old? How did pepper come here?
India.
India,
and
okay.
moved to China, and
got
China
it.
to Vietnam.
Silk route.
Yeah. So in Vietnam we have some kind of pepper like peppercorn, long pepper, or pepper in the tree.
Okay.
But we grow here only two kind, peppercorn and long pepper. Pepper tree in the forest is nature.
Oh, okay.
Natural.
Yeah. So pepper they grow in the rain season,
So,
and they need to cut it and growing.
so you take the seeds. How do you process and make pepper?
Grow.
So you take a seed. So how does it become that black
How
powder?
to grow?
How to make from the tree?
I will to explain this.
Ah, okay.
Not hurry.
Okay.
Yeah. Pepper have 10 years already.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. When we roll it, we need to roll for 3 years. The pepper can be high for 4 meter.
Mm-hmm. Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
4 meter. And then every year we have the pepper for having it in the December to April. But the first pepper starting to have flower here. The new, and then come to the flower, and after have the corn around for 8 months. After 8 months, the pepper already, because
Ah, right.
some
Right.
pepper to return to the red with the big one, and the small one keep it green.
And some black.
Yeah, we will to have it when it turn the color to red or green.
Can we eat one?
Yeah, and red pepper we dry with sun, also still a little bit red, and it smell like the fruit. And the green pepper we dry with sun, they return to black. So white pepper inside the rest without skin. So white, red, and black is same plant.
You have it there? Right.
Yeah, yeah.
Try one.
So black pepper is very popular, and you can buy anywhere. And more the black pepper they using before cooking or
Correct.
after cooking because the flavor.
Seasoning the.
Yeah, but red pepper no more they using for the red meat, and white pepper they using for the seafood or white meat.
Okay.
But after cooking only on table and
Oh,
So
that
all
was
of
good.
Vietnam, is pepper found all over Vietnam, or largely it's only a Phu Quoc variety?
The pepper they have in the highland of Vietnam, between middle Vietnam come to the south. They grow many place pepper, but Phu Quoc pepper is the place special
Oh, okay.
because they make more flower flavor.
more. Okay.
Yeah.
And then how many pepper farms are there in Phuquoc?
Oh,
Or you the only one?
before a lot. Before a lot.
Why? What happened? Are the number of pepper farms coming down now?
Agent Orange.
Before it, we are been here 1998. Most of people here is a farmer, so around 70% of the farmer and 30% of fishermen.
Right.
But now it's changing when the land now is for the tourists. They're building more resorts.
Right.
Less farmers.
And more people come here to living, and the land they're selling because more expensive.
Right.
And more people don't want to keep the land.
They don't want to farm. They want to sell the land.
Yeah, for
What about you?
fast the rich.
Big building.
What about yourself?
Oh,
You still
the
like
farm
the
not
farm?
mine, but I keep it from the parent.
Yeah,
And
so
I
you
think
still-
we keep it. Yeah.
You keep it. You still like the farm.
Yeah, because if we keep the farm, it's good. Less money, but make happy.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
Very good.
I'm reminded of a Bob Marley song. Have you heard that?
Yeah.
Don't worry, be happy.
Right?
Yeah.
Please come here. Have a look more. In the Vietnam, very big and long. So you can see one place make one special. Like we are the island here, famous with pepper and fish sauce. Another island famous with the garlic, like Lison, or in the Ninh Thuận, they famous with the red, or dragon, or Mekong Delta, famous with
What is
rye.
the Mekundata?
Mekong
It's an
Delta,
island.
rye or fruit.
Okay, no.
Yeah.
Fruit.
Fruit,
Oh,
yeah.
Mekundata is a fruit or of the island?
Yeah, and like Đà Lạt or Đắk Nông or Đắk Lắk, famous with the coffee.
Okay.
So depend of the soil and the weather.
Okay. And all these islands are nearby?
There
All these islands, Daklam, all of this, very close by or they're far?
are there is the
South.
highland
Oh,
of
they're in
Vietnam. We are
Right.
the island.
Yeah, I got it.
So that's
got
why
that.
the pepper here is special. And the soil here the same with the compost in the Cambodia. So have you been in Cambodia?
Not as yet,
Yeah, I have
but I heard it's very close by from here, right? Kampot?
Right. But I have been in the compost and Talon mountain.
Kampot is here, right?
Compost is very close here. We go to Ha Tien and then pass the border and we can go to compost. Just only 4 hours by bus.
Okay.
I think 80 kilometers.
But is it by land or it is, should be the sea? Cambodia should be other side. But interest or no?
No.
Only sneak. The leaves are called moringa leaves. But the vegetable is the best thing for, right? Yeah.
All right.
You have orchids too?
That's right, like that. And we need to climb up and having one by one.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. One plant like this, we can have 1 kilo per year.
So how do you climb up?
Hey,
By
that's
tray.
Ah, there, I just saw it, okay.
So you like to climb
Yeah, sure.
this? Try?
Oh my God. I should climb this way?
This way.
I think it is focused.
Okay. One here, one here.
Here, yeah.
Okay.
Be careful about the vertical thing.
If you fall, it's okay.
Now, this is the pepper, right? So this is what I mean, if you put this,
Yeah.
Where?
yeah.
Spicy?
So what do you essentially do? You basically pick one of these.
We pick for whole of the pepper like that.
Corn.
Whole of the pepper. Yeah. Not one corn.
Okay.
And grind it.
Right. And the grinding is a separate factory, is it?
Raining.
Where do you grind it? You grind it here?
Dry. Dry pepper we dry in the sun.
In the sun. Dry it in the sun, but where do you grind it?
We have a machine.
Machine. Okay. Okay.
Sorry?
Nice.
Sugar cane, I know. This one the dry.
Hey.
लग गया इसको. Game over है इसका.
Careful here.
Yeah,
Game over
Be
है.
careful here.
yeah, that's okay.
You fine?
Yeah. ठीक नहीं यार.
Abhi record? I'm not
अरे
even.
मैं जंप भी कर देता, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है.
Has this been recorded?
No, it's not.
Damn.
Can you do it once again?
You are so heavy. I climb no problem, but with you.
No,
You're very light.
in a little while he will start crying. Now he is just pretending.
Try it.
And what do you use it for?
Straw. Drink.
Oh, okay.
So can you show it where exactly? This one, no? Like this one.
Yeah.
Bamboo.
Bamboo.
It's part of the farm.
Pepper is the hero.
Since it's a big space, multiple things are growing.
It's actually video. So what's the next place?
Beer. Beer brewery.
Land लेके ready है. Rabbit. Land is ready.
Oh, but
So how did the idea come about of starting a brewery and with pepper? So you have something like a pepper beer or something?
We are the partner with the guy from Saigon. He is the teacher of university,
Okay.
and he would like to make own his beer,
Okay.
and with his name King Beer.
Okay.
2015.
Okay. It's a more recent. So do you do this commercially, Quinn? As in, do you also sell this out?
sell the beer.
Yeah. Sell in the.
Oh, there's a beer factory inside a pepper factory.
They make dark beer and golden beer. So now also sometimes they make golden and sometimes they make dark.
Oh, okay.
So ingredient have hot, wheat and beer, and then the other things they are from the
Kin beer, that's how you call it?
German or Austria or Australia or Russia, and then we cook that way. The machine for grab the bottle. Before one day we sell 300 or 400 liters per day, but now the COVID and we're starting to open again, and now we cook one day only 20 liters or 30 liters per
How
day.
many farmers do you have?
Huh?
How many people you have working in the farm?
At the moment only 2.
Oh, only 2 people.
When you were doing 200 liters, you would have had more people, right?
Yeah, when I have more guests and we...
Again, once it starts opening up.
People like this get in the shops.
Right, because they have the Phu Quoc beer or the King beer, very different.
Very different,
Yeah,
got it.
most of foreigner they refer that beer because look like the organic beer,
Yeah, right.
very fresh and nature. So with another beer, some people said, because they have a chemical. But I don't have any idea about the beer because I don't drink beer.
How can owner not consume things that they make?
Owners should never consume things that they make.
No, consume in
Otherwise
sense.
there'll be nothing to sell.
No, it's not about that.
You use for your skin. Your skin is so nice
Ah,
and glowing.
I using the avocado oils.
Is this the natural?
Yeah,
Do you have it for us to buy?
yeah,
Avocado oil.
avocado oils.
And
Em
what
có
do
chìa
you
khóa
do
chưa?
with the oil? पर उनका स्किन टाइप है रे.
Tí nữa đem nguyên chùm cho
लड़के
chị.
का तो ऐसे नहीं है.
Because
If you put avocado oil, then it will help.
this oil, you know, the
What do
avocado
you do with
fruit,
the oil? How do you use it?
avocado fruit, and then
Yes.
and then we get it when it's dry, and then we put in machine, and we fresh with our oil. The oil run out.
And then how you apply the oil? Like how do you apply it when to apply the oil?
Oh, I don't understand much.
So
if he wants
you
to
use
apply,
the oil
use that.
for your skin.
It has to be near your.
You use the oil for your skin, right?
Yeah, right.
How? So you
Just
put it in
one drop, and then with whole face.
okay.
Got it.
Got it. That's good.
Thank you.
ये जीन है रे, अपना नहीं होगा.
Sure, but I have to film, no? I have to film.
You have
Lots.
not
Papaya, yeah.
male or female?
Yeah, both. We have
Yeah.
lots.
So with the male, the flower, what you doing?
They use it in
I'm
vegetables.
not, he'll know.
No,
No, he's talking about the
Papaya flowers.
may flowers or leaves.
only leaf.
No. What is your question?
The flower of the males, we can using the medicine.
Oh,
Or
yes,
using
they
cooking.
do. Yes, they do. They use for medicine.
Yeah,
That I
or
know.
make the tea.
Yes, they do.
Same. Depend of the day. Now the season changing. If the wind from this stop and another wind, no, the wind from this stop and another wind from this side.
This place is so beautiful, and when this bathroom is there right in the woods, so it gives you a feeling of going to some kind of a forest place and shitting with the open nature in front of you. But I know I'm just dramatizing all of that. You don't need to dramatize all that just for shit. I'll just get that done, and then I'll figure out the next things to be done. I think we're looking to get to a beach.